Good morning, this is Kathleen Wagner going over my math resource exploration. I chose Math Playground for my resource, and I chose story problems. Story problems are difficult for so many students, but they're also a foundational building block for number sense. They are something that all students need to be able to do. And importantly, story problems are real life. In every student's life, and later as an adult when they're no longer a student, they will encounter story problems. So this is a fun resource to help them get those building blocks in place so they can properly solve problems in and out of school and help them with their confidence, but also be fun. I'm going to choose Repair the Rocket. This is a fun resource. Oops, sorry, we have an ad here. Repair the Rocket. It has a robot theme with a main problem of robots have crash landed, rocket parts are everywhere, solve the math puzzles, collect the pieces, and help them return home.
Let's get started.
And it has a fun robot voice. So within this main web page, you have different levels that the student can choose, attacking different things. It starts with part and whole within 2 parts, moving to 3 parts. Then we have compare story problems using 1 step, which is a different type of story problem than part and whole. And then we have compare using 2 steps. Lastly, we have change and random models. So once they have done all of these, they can choose random models and see if they have mastered all of these. In these purple blocks, this is great for the teacher as well as the student, but as they pass each story problem, it gives them a fun star, and you can reset it here. Because there is no individual student login, there is no individual tracking. So whoever logs into this particular computer, that's the progress it's going to show. If you hit this button right here, you will reset all of the scores, which I would advise a teacher to do after every time they play. Just so you know, if you want to track where they are, I would do it on pencil or paper or your own spreadsheet, because it will not send you the individual data on how they were doing. This also is more of a support activity. It does not level out. You choose the levels, and it will not send you data showing which parts within this are they strong at and which parts are they not strong with. So I'm going to go through one of these real quick. Let's choose, who's this first one? On this main page, it's very easy for the student and the teacher to explain what's going on. You have your problem in the purple box, which you can also listen to. Listening to is a great addition, especially for EL students or for low-level readers or those with a reading disability. Here's your home page. Down here is showing your progress, how many problems you have solved. Your instructions are always in the green box, which is wonderful, and your feedback. And then these are the tools that you need to solve this particular problem at hand. Here is the problem on this one. The instructions say read the word problem. Can you find the parts and whole, build the model, drag blocks and labels, and tap the check mark when you're ready. So we're going to kind of play with it just really quick. We know that the bars will go here. As a teacher, we know this. The student is going to read through it. Kendra had some songs on her MP3 player. On Sunday, she downloaded 1 song. Now Kendra has 4 songs. How many songs did she have at first? So what we're looking for is how many she had at first. And we know that she downloaded some. And this is the total that she had. When it's correct, you get a nice sound. When it's incorrect, I'm just going to randomly throw these in here real quick so we can see. Hopefully I'm not. It's telling me, yep, I didn't answer it correctly. And it gives you feedback. Blocks and labels have been placed correctly. Add numbers to the model. If these are not correct, then we try it again and keep going until the red arrows go away. So we see she downloaded 1 song. So we're going to say downloaded 1. Now she has 4, so her total number is 4, which now shows the student we're not looking for a total. We're looking for how many she had at first. How many songs did she have at first? And it really builds through it. If we see the total is 4 and here's 1, then what are we missing here? We're going to put 3 in there. You solved it now. We have a star. As you can see, it's a fun resource. It does give some tools, but you do need to do some tracking on your own if you choose. Thank you.